subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has announced 3 new smartphones under Edge series globally called Motorola Edge 20 Lite, Edge 20 and Edge 20 Pro. Among these 3, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 144Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset, paired with Adreno 650 GPU, and it packs with 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Motorola Edge 20 Pro supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical and 50x hybrid zoom support, and a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens with macro vision support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 with MyUX skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 30W turbo power charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 76 by 8mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Edge 20 Pro price has been set at €700, and it will be available in August in some selected markets across Europe, Latin America and Asia. And it will be available in blue synthetic leather, dark blue and iridescent white color options. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 20 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.